Hey y'all, here's a quick non-dairy protein shake recipe. I'm just going to be using Orgain organic protein, vanilla almond milk, ground cinnamon, and raw honey. So I just start by taking a scoop of protein powder and putting it in my blender. Take a cup of almond milk and pour it in. Add my cinnamon, and you can do however much cinnamon you want. And I add a dash of honey, and then I just blend it all together for a few seconds. And that is literally it. That is the end. I add a little bit more cinnamon to the top of it, but other than that, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys next time.